Are you ready to unlock the power of HubSpot? As a leading CRM platform, HubSpot has revolutionized how businesses connect with customers. So brace yourself for some incredible impact. Picture this. Businesses using HubSpot witnessed a significant increase in the lead to customer conversion rate. That's not all. Inbound marketing generates 3 times as many as leads as outbound marketing and costs around 62% less. But wait, there's more. Companies that excels at lead nurturing generate 50% more sales ready leads at 33% lower cost. With HubSpot's free CRM, you will have all your customer data at your fingertips, boosting efficiency and personalization. So say hello to data-driven decision making and bid farewell to guesswork. Plus, HubSpot grows with you, supporting your businesses at every step. So get ready to attract, engage, and delight customers like never before. Because in this video, we will talk about HubSpot, your secret weapon to success. But before we begin, make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos and hit the bell icon for all notifications. Now without any further ado, let's talk about CRM. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is a strategy and set of tools that businesses use to manage and analyze customer interactions. It involves capturing and organizing customer data in a centralized database, enabling businesses to understand and meet customer needs. CRM system tracks customer interactions across various channels and provides a holistic view of each customer. Now, let's talk about the protagonist of this video, HubSpot. HubSpot is a game-changing all-in-one CRM platform that revolutionizes how businesses attract, engage, and delight customers. With HubSpot, businesses can streamline processes, automate tasks, and gain valuable insights to drive growth and enhance customer relationships. Its marketing hub optimizes content and analyzes marketing performance. The Sales Hub empowers sales teams with pipeline management and automation. The Service Hub ensures exceptional customer service through support ticket system and feedback collection. Plus, HubSpot offers a free CRM centralizing customer data with interactions. Businesses benefit from improved efficiency, personalized experiences, data-driven decision making, and scalability. HubSpot is the ultimate solution for businesses seeking success in this digital era. And it's time to leverage the power of HubSpot and unlock your full potential. Now, let's go over to the HubSpot website and learn how to do work with HubSpot. Now, here we are at the HubSpot.com. Now, we can go ahead and choose either one of the options, get a demo or get started for free. We will start for free. Then I will continue as Google to make account. Now, let's type in what kind of industry are you in or marketing. Then we will go next. Then as a job role, it's already selected CEO. Then as a company name, let's give it a demo account. Next, let's say 200 to 1000. Then www.democomp.com, something like this. Then next, then we are based on US. Then it will get our account ready. Let's answer some more questions like I have never used this. What would you like to do with HubSpot first? So we want to create a high performance sales tools or something like that. So we can choose whatever you want. Let's skip without picking a goal. Then what kind of services we need and all that. Now, as you can see, we have different kinds of hubs here, like Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, Operations Hub, and CMS Hub. Now, what we want to start first? We want to create our contacts first. So we will go here, contacts. These are some demo contacts. Now let's create an email. So let's say dummy account @gmail.com. First name dummy, last name account, contact on a web hub, job role, let's say marketing manager. Let's give it the demo number. Life cycle stage, you can choose anything: subscriber leads, marketing qualified leads, sales qualified leads, opportunities, customer evangelist, or even others if you have something else. So let's take marketing qualified lead. Then you can also choose what is the lead status, like it's new, open, in progress, open deal, unqualified, attempt to contact, connected. So let's give it open and create. And as you can see, it has created a complete profile here with everything what we have just selected. Then here it will show us activities and overview activities, what happened and all that. Then we also have an inbox. We can go to inbox. Here it will show everything from emails to chats to forms to you can also connect your Facebook Messenger and all that. You can also use to create ads, emails, landing page and all. Let's go over to ads. As you can see, you can connect your accounts and all that for your ads account, Google Ads account and all that, to manage all your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Google Ads campaign and all that. And then we also have emails. Let's try and create an email. So let's get started. This letter, then we will create an email and regular email. We will select a template, and what we have here is our what company logos and all that. So you can change it here. You can also edit text like enroll in our course. What are the benefits? What are the USPs? You can say best course available and something like this. Then thanks, your company name and all that. Then you can also select this, unsubscribe, manage preferences, these buttons. You can add some kind of pictures here. You can also design it like in template if you want to change the background color or set a background pattern, body color, text width, border and all that, text styles, what kind of style you want to use. If you want to use a button, what color should that be, and dividers. Then you will go to settings, you will add subject line what you want to. So enroll now, review text, anything. There's a description. Then you can choose subscription type, it's one-on-one right now, or you can add subscription. You can select a subscription type, any kind of language, so let's use English. Subscription name ABC, description ABC, ABV, and create. Like that we can create any kind of subscription. Now let's get back to the emails, the one we were working on. After all this, you can select subscription type like ABC we just created. You can also set a footer module. So basically you can write up the details about your company, its office locations and all that. Then we have plain text, repeat. Then we have plain text. Then you can also send or schedule it. So select recipient. So we have our dummy account, we can select that. So sending limit we had already selected 2000. You can now send now or schedule for later, like schedule here. We also have something called automation, so I will explore on my own. As you can see, it has a lock here. So basically it means is you will need to upgrade to a CRM suite starter. So let's review and send. View. So in the mobile it will looks like this, in the PC it will look like this. Select a contact, dummy account for the client. We have to first clear out all errors. Now let's set company name. So ABC, address ABC, and city Dummyville, state. Now that's save changes. Now let's review and send, and now we can send. Let's send it. As you can see, send email now, and it's sent. Now let's explore more. You can also create landing pages. Here you can build your lead capturing campaigns with the landing pages, so you can create a website page or landing page. Let's explore both of them. So for a website, this is the website which it will give. You can give a page name like demo comp and create a page. Then what you will do is you will choose themes. You have to install a theme with theme forest, but I don't feel like going into it, so you can explore that on your own. We also have landing pages. It will be the similarly demo comp. Same, you will need to create a template. So let's select a template or something here. You can, here's the select template. Then it's showing us. Then what we can do is we can choose how we want to show this. So for a mobile, it will look like this. As for the PC, it will look a lot like this. You can change what you want to change here. You can change the image, whatever you like. So this will be an easier work if you want to do. And for the content, like optimize how you want to optimize, like these should be unique so that for SEO purposes and all that. Then you can, when you are good with that, you can just publish it here. You have to correct the like page title, what you want to do, like I just showed you. You need to name everything and all that for SEO purposes. And for this, it also has a run A and B test and run adaptive test. These are locked, you have to upgrade it. Then we also have site navigator. You can go to site here like ending page and all that. Let's exit it for now. Then you can also visit website like this. Then social SEO campaign. These are all the tools that you can use, but you need to professional account, Marketing Hub professional account for this. Then in the sales, we have deals. You can create a deal here. Let's create one. Test. So pipeline will be sales pipeline. For deal stage, let's say qualified to buy. Let's give it $1,000. Let's select today's date. Then deal type, existing business, priority, medium, high, what you want to give. For contact, let's use our dummy account again. Then add a line item. Right now we don't have any item set up, so we can just delete this part as well. Then create. Then you can see here's the product amount 1,000. When it is, which should be closed. Then stage, qualified to buy, you can change it here as well. Then deal owner, about this deal type, existing business and all that. You can check activities, what activities it has been happening with it. Let's say it's closed and won. We can change it here, like here. The contact details are given here for the person, so you can show actions here, like you want to unfollow this or view all properties and all that. Now let's see, we have forecast here. Again, you need to upgrade to Sales Hub Professional to access these things. Then task, what kind of task you want to do. You can create tasks as well here. So let's task test. Type to do, you want to call, email, anything. What's the priority here? Let's say high. Then you can associate it with records who want to assign it, queue, in how many days it has to be done, like in a 2 days, 3 days, in a week as well, time. Then you can also set it to repeat as well. You can select a reminder like at the time of that, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, and all that. You can also select custom date here. Then some kind of note you want to give it and create. Then next we have something called tickets. Now we have already talked about one of its features called tickets. You can generate tickets here, create tickets that will help you track issues with your customers have. So it's a hub where customers will create tickets. So let's say test tickets, then pipeline, whatever the issue would be, ticket description, what is the description, source, so ticket owner, it's me, and all that. You can also set priority here. This is all so that we can seamlessly respond to our customers' complaints and requests. Then rest of the features like automation, sequence, and workflows are all available with the Pro account. Then for reports, we have analytics tools. These are also logged with professional account. Then dashboard. You can create any kind of dashboard. Let's say new dashboard name test. Who can see? If you can put it to private for yourself only, or everyone to view and edit, or view only. Let's set view only. Create dashboard. So we can go to our dashboard. Now as for dashboard, you can add reports to this dashboard from saved reports. There are no reports as right now, so we can create report as well. These are logged, but you understand what I'm saying, right? So let's exit it from here. So I've already told you about reports. Then data management, we have data model, data quantity, and data sets, as well as integration. I will explore on my own. You can connect your apps, your social media, and all that. You can integrate everything here. So it's everything is on one place for you to manage. Then data model. You can choose your own data model for your company and all that, like what kind of activities you want to do, what are CRM objects, what are the activities. You can choose who will do what. Now let me show you what are the trials and all that. Let's see pricing. So for a starter, you can either pay upfront, commit annually. So annually it will be around 216 years as a starter. For a professional, it will be 800 per month or 9,600 per year. You can also set a deal with the company and choose according to your benefit or use. And there you have it, a brief tutorial on HubSpot. We have only scratched the surface of what this powerful marketing tool can do, but I hope it has given you a good overview and sparked your interest. Remember, HubSpot offers extensive documentation, training resources, and a supportive community to help you along the way. And with that,
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.